In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a moving average in TradingView. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to change, so your chart shows a clear, easy to read moving average line. First, make sure you're logged into TradingView and you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze, like a stock, crypto pair, or forex pair. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the timeframes and other toolbar options above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens a search window where you can find all kinds of built-in tools and indicators. Inside the Indicators window, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and start typing Simple Moving Average. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results. You're looking for the built-in indicator typically called Simple Moving Average, or just Moving Average, depending on your TradingView version. When you see Simple Moving Average appear in the list below the search bar, click on it once. As soon as you click it, the indicator is added to your chart. You'll notice a new line appear over your price candles. This line is your moving average, but we're going to adjust it so it's more useful and easier to see. Next, move your cursor to the upper left area of the chart where the list of active indicators appears. You should see SMA or Simple Moving Average listed there. Hover over it and click on it to open its settings. This is where you can customize how the moving average behaves and how it looks. In the settings window, click on the tab labeled Inputs. This is where you set the period of your moving average. By default, it might be set to a value like 9 or 14. To make the line smoother and more visible for swing or position trading, change this value to 50. Just click in the length or period field, delete the existing number, and type in 50. This tells TradingView to calculate the average price over the last 50 candles, which often gives a clearer sense of the medium-term trend. Once you've entered 50, look for the OK button at the bottom of the settings window and click it